Welcome to Kids Corner. Subscribe for more videos.
Hello, I'm Angad. I'm going to show you some cool tricks. Now let's get started. Can you see this matchstick? I am going to make it invisible. Abracadabra, abracadabra, gilly gilly too. For my next trick, come here. Can you see these coins? How many are they?
There are 3.
No. Do you want to see some magic?
Yes.
Abracadabra, abracadabra, gilly gilly too. How is the magic?
How many are they?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow.
For my last trick, can you see this container with 6 coins? And this one is empty. Now, I am going to place this container here. And I am going to do some the spells. Abracadabra, abracadabra, gilly gilly too. One, two, three. How many are in this one? There were 6 in this, now there are 3. Where did the other coins go? Do you want to know how I tricked you? When I was doing the math one, I was put some tape here. Then I was hiding the tape to don't know you I am doing that. So when I was invisibling, I was secretly putting it and let it down and hide below my thumb. For the second trick I done, there were 3 coins and there was a pocket behind the plate. Now you see it. Now there were 3 coins here and 3 coins here. Then I was but I was cutting it and not let you see the pocket. And then when I was going to get the coins out, I opened it and saw 6 ones. And when I did this one, there was a tape here holding it. Do you see it isn't falling down? So, how did I trick you? Isn't it great or not? Now bye, see you. Lots of love.